We're taking a look at a laboratory fume hood. This happens to be within a high school, and so this is going to be a hood used for demonstration purposes as opposed to, say, a research facility that could be using some pretty toxic materials. We're presuming that in a high school they're not going to be using very toxic materials. We've looked at the engineering aspects of the fume hood. We've measured the face velocity, even though we recognize that there's no correlation between mean face velocity and capture efficiency. So now we're going to actually take a look at how well does the hood capture a fume. We're going to be using the standard ventilation fume. It's titanium tetrachloride. I'm going to begin by tracing the face of the hood. I'm going to watch where does the ventilation fume go. In this particular case, I see that it's migrating reasonably well into the hood, into the cavity of the hood, until I get directly in front of me where I'm creating a low pressure zone, and I see that it stalls, still going into the cavity of the hood, however. And I continue to smoke across the face, gently blowing out the tracer fume. I'm going to continue to do this over the entire face. I'm going to note static cells and reversals. I see a significant change just at this elevation as opposed to right directly underneath the sash door. I have a reversal cell right here. The fume is going in. It hits the back end of the laboratory fume hood, and the smoke rides outside of the hood base. I have the same occurring on the opposite side. I have large static cells in the face here. I have reversal. Where fume is actually escaping the face of the hood. And it's blowing into the user space. I don't know if it's showing up on the video, but the ventilation fume is actually coming up into my face. It's occurring deep into the hood as well. You can see that the fume is actually moving from the floor directly into the user space. And we have complete reversal with loss along the bottom of the laboratory fume hood. Therefore, in this particular case, even if the hood is working as designed, and even if it has a face velocity of 100 linear feet per minute, we have large reversal cells all the way through the face from deep inside the hood, and therefore this hood is not capable of protecting the user.